a bedroom with Space Needle views. How much do you think this townhome would cost? Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today we're in Queen Anne, one of the most popular neighborhoods in downtown Seattle. We're only minutes away to SLU, so if you work in Amazon or Google, you are in luck. You can just bicycle yourself to your workplace. And then there are so many cafes, restaurants, and shopping around this area. And Queen Anne has a pretty good crime rate score, and the test score for the schools are almost 8 out of 10, so great school resources. And today we're going to introduce you this townhome that was built in 2023. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and inside is 1,400 square feet. And of course, this townhome has great skyline view and Space Needle view. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, this level actually has 2 bedrooms and a full bath. So both of the bedrooms are not very big, but you can easily put in a queen size bed. And of course, you can turn it into an office. And that room down that side, actually, you can see the view of skyline a little bit and really good natural light. So now we're on the 2nd level of this home. So this is the main living area. On this side, it is their family room. And of course, you have windows on both sides, so great natural light. And on this side, you can actually enjoy the view of Seattle skyline. If you want blinds and then you can watch TV, this is a great area. And here you can put a dining table. Definitely a much bigger dining table is fine. This is for your friends to come over and enjoy the dinner together. And here is their kitchen area. Not a huge kitchen, but you know, they have everything. Very modern as well. So they have this white countertop and then this dark cabinet. And then also they have the range hood already built in. So you can enjoy the cooking here just as in the single family home. And here is the built-in fridge. It's also Fisher & Paykel, good brand. I want to say, although this is not a huge area, but as a Seattle townhome, this is wide enough, not narrow at all, great space. And now we're on the 3rd floor of this house. So the whole floor, the 3rd floor is for the master basically. So this is their primary bedroom. You can put in a king size bed with nightstand on both sides. And then of course they have their own AC because this is the 3rd level, so it could get pretty hot in summer. So you have your own AC. This is very comfortable. And then of course, through those big windows, you can enjoy the beautiful view of skyline and Space Needle. You can even see all the museums underneath. This is unbeatable location. Just walking to the Space Needle takes you like 20 to 30 minutes only. And here is the walk-in closet. Of course, now they don't have any shelves or drawers. You can easily design and put in however you like it. And here is the primary bath. They have this heated floor and then white countertop, double sink, good storage underneath. Of course, they also have this motion sensor light for your convenience at night. And here is a glass door shower room with windows on the top and a skylight. So this is not a very big bathroom, but very, very bright. And now we're on the rooftop, and of course, this is quite a spacious area. You can put in, you know, some chairs and a table, do your barbecue here, and here you just enjoy beautiful view of Seattle. And the Space Needle is right there, the skyline is right here. Of course, this home is a pretty simple, modern designed townhome in Queen Anne. It actually has a lot of space and there's no HOA. There's also a covered parking with EV charger. So if you're interested in this unit or in Queen Anne, give us a call. I'm here to help. I'm Maggie. See you in the next video.